How to install your custom-fit car seat covers for your 2019 Kia Sportage. Read the description to see which other vehicles are covered. Go to the back of your seat and unhook the latch underneath. This will create a passageway for your straps. Recline your seat. To detach the headrest, press the button at the base and lift it off. Lay the bottom seat cover over your car seat. Pull the side loop strap over the seatbelt holder on the side of your seat. Push the buckle straps through the seat crevice. Tuck in the corners of the cover, ensuring it aligns with the seat and accommodates the seat's control. Finally, tuck in the seat cover clip and sponge bar. Place the buckle straps underneath the seat, positioning them to connect with the buckles you pass through the crevice, now located on the back side of the seat. Then, connect and securely tighten the straps under the seat. Slide the backrest cover onto the seat, aligning it with the contour until it's fully secured. Move your backrest into a more reclined position. Insert the front straps through the seat crevice and pull them through until they appear at the back. Lift the flap and pull down the hook and loop straps that were threaded through the crevice. This step helps achieve a tighter, more secure fit. Peel off the seal from the hook and loop fastener and press it onto the back of your backrests. Reattach the flap you previously opened underneath your seat. Peel off the seal from the hook and loop fastener and press it onto the back of your backrests. Make sure to create an opening at the base of the headrest holder. Reattach your headrests, then slide the headrest covers over them. Remove the bottom seat by pulling upward from both the left and right sides. You should hear a pop as it releases. Fold down the 40 side backrest and remove the headrest. Slide the backrest cover over the 40 side, following the seat's contour. Zip up the side of the backrest cover for a secure fit. Make sure to create an opening at the base of the headrest holder. Push the 3 straps through the seat crevice so they extend behind the backrest. Remove the backing from the hook and loop straps that were passed through the crevice and attach them securely to the back of the backrest. Split the 60 side backrest and ensure the headrests are removed. Peel off the seal from the hook and loop fastener and press it onto the back of your backrests. Split the 60 side backrest and ensure the headrests are removed. Unzip the 60 side backrest covers and place them over your car seat. Follow the contour of the seat and press the covers down until the backrest is fully covered. Zip up the side of the backrest cover for a secure fit. For the 60 side backrest, pull the rear hook and loop straps through the seat crevice. Remove the backing from the hook and loop straps that were passed through the crevice and attach them securely to the back of the backrest. Repeat this process for each of the hook and loop straps. Peel off the seal from the hook and loop fastener and press it onto the back of your backrests. Place the bottom seat cover on the bench seat, aligning it with the seat's contours. Attach the buckle straps to their corresponding buckles using the video above as a guide. For the side buckles, make sure to pass the strap through the loop before connecting. Ensure a snug fit by pulling the strap firmly after attaching. Peel back the hook and loop straps and attach them beneath the rear bottom seat. Repeat this process for each of the hook and loop straps. Reinsert the bottom seat by pushing it inward while holding the seatbelt holder up to fit into its corresponding hole. Push until you hear a click indicating the seat is securely in place. Create an opening near the top for the headrest, reattach it, and slip on the corresponding headrest covers. All set, enjoy the sleek custom fit of your FH Group car seat covers in your 2019 Kia Sportage.